This test features an aluminum structure equipped with a corona discharge type actuator. In this configuration, the long central rods function as electrodes, where a high voltage is applied to generate the plasma effect. Although the characteristic purple glow of the plasma is not visible due to the lighting conditions, its action is clear. The air passing between the rods is accelerated, generating a propulsion effect. This phenomenon, similar to the thrust created by a propeller, does not require moving mechanical components. The high tension is applied to the side rods and distributed to the central rods, activating the plasma reaction that produces the thrust. To prevent the structure from detaching during the demonstration, it is kept secured to the table with wires. The system operates with a voltage difference of 46.7 kilovolts and a low current of 2.52 milliamps, resulting in a power consumption of only 10 watts. This level of energy efficiency exceeds that of a 100% conventional propeller, highlighting the advantage of plasma, propulsion without moving parts, with lower energy consumption and great potential for future applications in transportation and aviation.